Hey friends, welcome to Mimi's Mixed Bag. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new here, check out my playlist. I've got hundreds of crafts, home decor, party ideas. There's just all kinds of fun stuff. So I want to thank this Amazon store for sending me a beautiful bench swing cushion, and it just inspired me to do a little porch refresh. I love watermelons for the summer, but here in the Mid-South, we start school here in about 3 weeks, and we pretty much consider it fall here in about 3 weeks. But I'm not really ready for scarecrows and pumpkins just yet, so I thought I would make over my porch with a few sunflowers. Sunflowers is a way to transition into fall decor, and so I've bought a few things, I've made a few things, and I'll just show you what all I'm working with and spruce up my front porch a little bit. All right, I've got my porch cleared off of my watermelon stuff. I really had to wait till the sun went down because we're under a major heat advisory here, like 107 outside. It is just insane. So it's a little cooler here, but my watch is still showing 88 degrees. I got it laid out, everything here that I have bought, I have made, and just for my porch refresh. So we'll go ahead and start right here. This right here was just a black and brown jute, cotton jute rug from Five Below. Paid $5 for that. This new rug that says "Hey Y'all," got it for $6 at Dollar General. Now these two things right here, the little pillow I made with a Dollar Tree placemat. I'm going to insert a here of how I made this simple little throw pillow. All right, this next one, to make a throw pillow, I have got a Dollar Tree placemat. It's rusty color on one side and floral on the other, and it's just 2 pieces of fabric sewn together. So I'm going to take my seam ripper and open up about 2 or 3 inches, just big enough where I can get some stuffing in there. This is an old pillow that I'll never use again, so I'm going to pull that out and stuff this little placemat as much as I can to make it the way I want it to look. And then I can either hot glue the hole back up or take a little needle and thread and sew it back up. And there you have a throw pillow in 5 minutes. The next thing I made were these 2 large lanterns. I've been wanting some of these lanterns for the longest time, but I tell you, if you buy them in the store, they are super pricey. I made these with scrap wood I had and Dollar Tree stuff. So I'm going to insert her here of what I used and how I made it. To make my lanterns, I had 2 little square wooden plaques in my stash, and then I wood glued 2 pieces of wood on top, another little piece on top, and then I had a couple little wooden rings, and I just used wood glue and stacked those together like that. I went to Dollar Tree. I found some pretty good sized little wall art that'll be perfect for this. That'll be the top and the bottom of the lantern, and so I'm going to attach those. And then these are some leftover little half beads that I had from last week's project. Those are going to be the feet. And then for the sides of the lantern, I've got 2 scrap pieces of 1/4 round molding. I'm going to cut, the big lantern's going to be 18 inches and the smaller lantern will be 15 inches. So I'm going to cut those sticks with my little miter box. So I'll show you what it looks like before I spray paint it black. Okay, here are my lanterns put together with wood glue only. I'm using Gorilla wood glue, and that stuff's pretty strong, but they're still a little wobbly because they're kind of top heavy. I'll figure it out tomorrow whether or not that Gorilla glue is going to secure them enough. I may have to put a couple supports on the sides. We'll see. But I'm going to put glue the feet on them tomorrow and then spray paint them black, and I'll have 2 great porch lanterns. All right, in the lanterns, I've got these large battery operated on a timer candles. These are great. I use these on some candelabras that I have in the house. These will be great. They'll cut on and off just for a few hours at night. These are 2 little magnolia leaf rings that came from the Target dollar spot a couple years ago that are just a good generic thing to have. I just picked a flag that had lots of flowers in it, pretty colorful. These little cone flowers down here at the end kind of look like sunflowers. Now here I picked up this little wicker basket for 99 cents at Goodwill last week, and I had this little wire stand that was for something a few years ago that had some kind of basket in it, but I saw something at Big Lots the other day that was a wicker basket on a stand, and they wanted like $40 for it, and I thought, heck, I'm going to make something like that for nothing. So I got $1 tied up in that. And then Dollar General had all their greenery a couple days ago, buy one get one free. So I may have to add a little more greenery to it, but I just wanted a basket of greenery on my porch. That's pretty neutral as far as seasons. And like I said, we're just kind of in this transition period right now that I'm not really summer and I'm not really fall. And the star of the show is this sunflower wreath I made with gold bandanas. I will put a link down below of the blog and the directions of how to make this. It's so beautiful and I can't wait for that to be on my front door. Now, a big shout out to this Amazon store that has sent me this wonderful bench swing cushion. It's probably the last cushion I'll ever have to buy because it is so thick and durable. It is waterproof, it is washable, it comes with tie straps to keep it from shifting. So it's got 3 across the top, 2 in the bend of it, and then 2 down here at the bottom. I ordered a 52-inch because that will fit my bench and swing, but it has multiple sizes. It comes in several different colors, comes from Amazon on Prime. I also want you to notice the tufting in the top and the bottom cushion where it kind of goes in like that. That is to help prevent the stuffing from shifting and bunching on you. And I also want to show you a picture here that this product comes shrink wrapped. So when you open it up in the package, it's going to look terrible. It's going to be all wadded up and wrinkled. You set it out in the sun for a day or so and it helps it expand. And then I just ran an iron over it so that it smoothed it out even more. So you see the picture I inserted and then you see what I've got now made a huge difference. You know, somebody thinks they can just take it out of the package and put it on their swing. That's not the way to do it. So it takes a little prep to get it to looking its best. So be sure and check out the Amazon store listed below and upgrade your swing to a nice comfy seat. I'm going to take these things and style them like I want to, and then I'll give you a little tour of the refreshed porch. Thanks for watching, friends. Be sure and check out the links below. I'll be back next week with something fun to share. Bye-bye.